What's up, motherfuckers? Mason the French back here with another chart video. So, unfortunately, this is the second time I'm doing this for 20 to 30 minutes, literally talking to just the camera. I didn't record it. I don't know how the fuck I didn't record it, but it is what it is. I mean, I'll just do it again. It's not that big of a deal. But today, we're looking at December 2nd chart day. So, today, it was not the best day ever. I didn't lose a lot. I could have made a lot, but then I lost more. It wasn't in the hundreds. It was just more like 70 something dollars. It wasn't horrible, but still, you know, I want to make some money. And this was just me reacting off of my emotions, so I was a bit retarded when it came to this. So now we are gonna see what I did, what I should have done, and what could have gone differently. So first things first, just look at this fat ass green candle. Holy cow. Like, bro, when I saw this green, I thought immediately that I should have put in a buy. And also for reference, I knew that this day was going to be a buy, but for some reason, I just had to do some selling and just fuck myself over some more. But you'll see how this candle, you'll see how it starts as green, super high green, and the candle, the body of it just keeps ticking down. It just keeps going down. Like, bro, look at that shit. This huge fucking wick is just there. Like, I have never seen a candle go from so high and then go down so far, so fast. And I looked at it in real time, I was like, oh, motherfucker, what the hell? And this was what I mean by me reacting stupidly. This was more of like an impulsive sell right here. I just saw the reds just coming in, just handing it down. So immediately I'm like, what the fuck? This is more of a sell. I'm just gonna start selling now. I put in my first sell of the day with 50 lots. And I'm already losing money. This is a fantastic start to the day. And I think I just traded at the wrong time. I literally just put in my buys and my sells at the wrong time. It was just stupid because I would put my sell in and then it would go up. I put my buy in, it would go down. So I was just starting to lose money. And right here, you can see how it's slowly starting to go more and down as a sell. And I was just riding this the whole time. I mean, I thought literally it would go down, it would go up, go down, go up. So I wasn't really making a lot of money and I wasn't losing a lot of money. But I was just staying in this just because this consolidation period was just kind of odd. I mean, I should have probably gone out of this. But for some reason, like I said, this was just a more emotional day for me to trade. And right here, I'm about to put in my square, my fair value gap right on this long wick right here. Since it's a huge gap right there, I put it in because I know it's eventually gonna go back up into that zone and past it. I just don't know when. So that was the part where I just kind of struggled. And so far, we are not looking good. I mean, right now, I'm still selling, but when I went in, the account is already at more of a buy right now. So I believe right now I am down 150 bones. Yep, down 140 now. Well, it looks like it's getting better, but it's not. And so what I did exactly what I needed to do, lost $200 right down the drain right there. I'm like, fuck this shit. I am getting the fuck out of here. And then I immediately put in a buy because I know it's going to go back up. So we're looking good right now. And see these green little wicks? I'm just like, I'm just waiting for this shit to go up right now. I'm just waiting for this. And it just looks perfect right now to me. And a little bit more of some consolidation happening. It's not really going up, not going down, but it's slowly starting to get there. And also in this moment when I was trading, TMI, I had to take a fat shit when I was doing this. So maybe that got in the way of things. I don't know, just sometimes when I gotta take a deuce, things just don't come out clearly in my mind. So I'm just waiting and watching. And yeah, clearly right now, I'm in the profits right now. It's slowly making its mark up. But this red was really pissing me off because I'm like, bro, are you trying to go down? What the fuck, I'm gonna start tweaking. And right there is what we like to see. We like to see those greens coming back up in the zone. We slowly starting to get to that profit. And like I said, with the white line right here, I want my profit to get to that white line and then I'm out. Or I think I put the white line there because that was the high of the previous trade. Not the previous trade, I think it was earlier in the day. I just set the bar at the highest peak of where it was. It was right here where this wick was, so I probably definitely should have put it up more. Like, look at this, bro. The green is starting to go up. We are looking phenomenal right. The green, like, bro, the green is going up. We are looking good right now. Solid green. I like seeing the blues on the screen. I like seeing this profit that we're seeing right here. So right now we're coasting at a good $300 profit. 6 to 7. Sorry, we at 70 pips. And we're slowly getting there. And it's slowly making its coast. Like, we're riding this shit right now. I probably could have put in another buy, to be honest, to get even more out of this, because I was a little bit more confident in what I was doing, but I thought it was way too late, because once it gets to that peak level, or once it gets a little bit higher, I'm expecting it to consolidate a lot more, and then it's eventually going to go back down. Another large green candle wick right here. We're chilling. The new minute mark, that's another green. We up $500. We at 100 pips. This exactly is what I mean. I'm trying to get at least 100 pips, at least $500 on the day. But my greedy ass said, no sir. We're gonna keep on pushing. And this was where I think I fucked myself too. Now I learned how to actually do stop loss and take profit on this chart. I only really do stop losses and I don't do take profit because I'm just gonna be greedy and just let it rise up a more. And then I'm just gonna put my stop loss under the amount that I'm making, but just by like a few $100s, depending on where I'm at though. Or it's just gonna be by like $100. Like I said, it just depends on how much money I'm making. Like right here, I probably could have put my stop loss right around here so that I got out automatically, because like I said, I was up $500 and then I just wanted to get out because, bro, it just started tanking down. And I think that was when I said I was reacting emotionally and I just wanted to get out, and I don't think it was the best thing that I could have done. Yeah, you see what I mean right here? Like, I'm literally, it's still going up. I just reacted too impulsively and it was bad. And then I put in another buy, but I put in a little bit less lots just because I wasn't feeling as confident. Now, this was probably where I went wrong. I probably should have just waited and gone for a sell, because you can tell right now that it's consolidating and it just kept going up. So I definitely should have started putting in my fair value gaps around here so that I can predict for the market to go back down in the future. And it's, like I said, it's slowly coasting up, but it's slowly coming back down to break even point. But I believe this wick right here, that was the main divider as to, hey, you reached the peak right here, you're done, you're not buying anymore, we selling time now. And like I said, above this white line, that's where I should have gone for. But like I said, I was too emotional and I really just got out of that trade because I thought I was going to just start losing hundreds. And you can even see right here too that this was where I was starting to learn to do my stop loss. I was just trying to like basically click buttons and see what will work best for me, but I found out that I don't need to really like use any of this stuff. I just need to put in the type of category that it's under. So I believe it was under pips, and I should just like raise and lower this red bar instead of it just having at a definite area. And see right there, it just automatically got me out. And then some more consolidation, some more consolidation happened right here, and it's slowly starting to go down as a sell. I think I sold right here. Oh yeah, this was funny. So I see it going down as a sell, and then what do you know, whoop-diddy-doo, starting to go right back up there. They said, I'ma fuck you today, bitch. And you see how fast I got out of that trade? It just started to just keep on going up because I thought it was starting to make the downtrend. And look at that shit. Like, I just got out. I lost 140 right there. And right here, I put in a buy for 50 lots, 0.50 lots right there, because I'm already seeing it's still going up. I believe it's still gonna go up as well. So I'm gonna just ride this shit. See right here, we're looking clean. We had $86 profit right now. And then this candle said, no sir, you getting no money today. And then it's just gonna go, wow. The red starts to peek in and then just whoosh, it just starts to tank. And you can even see me right here. You can see that I'm about to get out just because I did not know what the fuck I was doing at this point. Like, now I'm just losing money. Now we are so cooked. But like I said, I'm gonna stick in this for another minute or so, and I'm just waiting to see if the price is gonna make a reverse and go back up. And see here, I'm also fiddling with my stuff again right there. I'm just learning again how to do like break evens. And yeah, I'm trying to break even and just get 5 extra pips. I'm just trying my best. I'm just trying to not lose as much money as I wish I could have. But you can see that it's gonna start to go up right now, and then it hits the break-even point, and then it gets me out of there. Or no, yeah, never mind, I closed it automatically. I remember in the moment I was like, bro, the fuck? And then I stopped trading after that. I was like, you know what, bro? Today just was not my day. I literally just started pressing buttons. I didn't know where shit was gonna go. But like I said, I even knew it was gonna be a buy day. So if I wrote it from basically down here, this candle right here should have been the main dividend as to be like, oh, it's gonna be as a buy. So I should have put it in like around these marks right here. And I should have just kept writing it, just kept on going up right there. And like I said right there, it wasn't my best. Day 7 on the red. I needed to be more patient, 100%. That's why I fucked up. Reacted too emotionally. That's why I just got out of my trades, because I saw it going down when I should have just stayed in. Knew it was a buy day and I even tried to sell. I just started following the trend, and the trend said, I'm gonna make a reverse and fuck you. I need to be patient to shoot for the long, since I was basically playing the long game. I was in that trade for an hour, but I could have done it for 30 minutes, just one singular trade, and that's what I could have done with the buy on the bottom, and then just took it straight to the moon. And I tried to do too many shorts. I tried to play the short game. That's where ultimately just kind of fucked me over a little bit more. I was only down $74 on the day, so not a big deal. So I was like, we'll just get it back tomorrow. So overall, it's not the end of the world, but it just sucks to just be in the red and to lose money. So it's not like 74 bucks. It's not a big deal. If I was down 1,000 like I was before, now that's when things just did not go well for me. And yeah, that was basically my second day of December. That was how my day went for that. Hopefully y'all's was a lot better. I just gotta get better with my emotions. I just gotta get better at the psychology aspect of this, because it's almost like a psychology game. But I want to thank y'all for tuning in for this trading video again. Now I'm glad y'all got to see my mistakes and where I fucked up, and I'm glad I got to look back at what I did and see what the fuck happened. See, even right here at this green, this wick right here at the bottom as the new low, that's where I should have been like, you know what, that's where the buying position is going to be. I should have just let it ride for about 10 minutes or so, or 15 minutes. And then right there was when I should have just clean and then just rode that shit up. And I would have made 500 bones or even more if I just stayed into that trade. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and for tuning in and seeing what the fuck I did wrong and what could have done better. And I hope y'all's trading day was a lot better than my day. But without further ado, I'm gonna head out and I'm gonna do some more shit, learn some more trading stuff, and we're gonna get better every single day with this motherfucker. We're gonna get lit in this bitch. See ya, small dicks.